Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, this is not a medium-sized haul, like I always say. This is literally a massive haul. I was like on shopping mode. They literally haven't added anything new, as you guys know, makeup wise. They've been adding like some body care stuff or whatever, but honestly, like this much new stuff, I was like grabbing everything, and I needed to make a haul for you guys. And also a lot of these things, obviously I buy them because I know I'm gonna use them, because I needed a restock on something, and because I'm genuinely curious of how these products work. So if you want to see what I picked up at my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. I just went ahead and filmed a full face of She Glam makeup. I did use their Care Bear collection, so if you're interested, it's going to be linked down below if it's up already. I'm going to start off with the more like random products. We have a couple of We have a couple of nail things. So I saw that the Mila Studio, it says Mila plus Studio nail art rhinestones little situation is right here. I saw this, and I also saw the Mila Plus Studio 3-piece nail art dotting tool. So I already know, I'm familiar with these little dotting tools. So I saw that these they look so cute. They have a couple of different colors, so I'm probably going to keep one and give the other two away. I'm really curious to see how these work, and I really want to start maybe designing my nails, you know, my press-on nails, make them a little more fun. I can even like rhinestone these. Oh, tomorrow is Halloween when I'm filming this, so maybe I could add like the gray rhinestones. I don't know if I have enough. That's so fun. I might do that. Okay, so again, these are just rhinestones. I also do have that tool from Shop Missy that helps me pick up the little gems a little easier, and I also now have the little dotting tool to decorate my nails. So I'm really excited to start kind of doing that. I don't know, sometimes I buy stuff and I don't use it, but hopefully this is one of the products that I actually open up and use. I don't even know like where to go. Okay, let's do hair. So I saw these two products. I think they had three, but I just picked up two of these. These are the Be Pure Volumizing dry shampoos. We have their watermelon scented one, and this is their spray style and go, which looks like so. We also have their texturizing dry shampoo, which is coconut scented. So I saw these and I thought, girl, it doesn't hurt to try them out, and let's see how they work for me and my hair. I really love a good texturizing spray, especially because my hair is so, it just like weighs down sometimes, so I really love to add that volume back to my hair. So I thought, why not, let me pick up two of these and see my thoughts. And of course I update you guys in future videos, I update you guys in empties videos, so that's why stick around, subscribe, so you guys could see my thoughts on these. But so good. And if you are curious about these, leave me a comment in one of my videos and I'll do an update on my Instagram or something. But these, they just look so interesting, so I picked up two of those. I also saw this product. So this is from Personal Care, and this is their sea salt hair spritz, and it is a beach beautiful style in jasmine and organic coconut scent, and it just looked really intriguing. You guys know I really love my little like hairsprays, and especially when I'm gonna be braiding my hair or anything like that, I really do want it to be damp and also have something in it. So this is sea salt hair spritz, and it also makes your hair smell good from what I know. So this Personal Care hair spritz adds sexy tousled waves and a light matte finish to any hair type. Oh, interesting. Ooh, I'll definitely have to try this out and see my thoughts on it. I really want to smell it. Hold on. Oh yes, it smells really nice, really clean, coconut vibes. It smells really good. Okay girl, so cute. Love. Let's move on to body care. We have a couple of sprays. I don't know why I picked up two of each product. I don't know. This is from Yardley, and this is their naturally inspired fine fragrance body mist. We have the English rose, and we also have their English lavender scent. So these look so cute. I don't think I've ever seen anything from this brand. Let me know if you have in the comments, but yeah, let's see how they work. Oh my goodness, girl, this one smells so good. What? Try not to breathe it in too much. Okay. Oh my goodness, these are like really potent, like really strong scents. So cute. I'm definitely gonna spray some more of these, of this one on me. This one smells amazing, girl. This is definitely gonna go in my purse. It's a little strong, so don't breathe it in. Oh my god, yes, this is so cute. We also have a April bath and shower vanilla sugar and raspberry scented shower gel. So I saw this and it just gives me like Christmas vibes. I don't know why. I've never seen this scent, so I really wanted to try it out and see my thoughts of what's going on. I've actually used these before. I think they're okay. I really love their big body washes are a little better in my opinion, but this is a nice kind of like backup if I'm running low or whatever. Nice to have. Kind of want to smell it. I have a lot of smells going on here now. Yeah, definitely getting that raspberry smell. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, girl, so can't wait to try this out. Again, it's just like a backup situation. I really love how it lathers. It's really nice. But again, it's not my favorite from the Dollar Tree, but I just picked it up because why not? I also wanted to pick up this cute little soap. They had, it just says soap rose scented, just to put in my restroom because look at how cute that is. It has little hearts on it, and I'm sure it's just gonna sit there and look cute, and then whenever we need hand soap we'll just use it. But it's just adorable, and I saw they had a couple of these, so I was gonna pick up two, but I'm like, girl, let's just try one out and see my thoughts. So I did pick up a little soap. Transitioning from body care into skincare products, this is along the lines of a makeup, but this was like in the skincare aisle. So we have all of these things from Be Pure. So cute, right? So they are like their cherry collection. So you have the Be Pure Cherry Sugar Lip Scrub, which looks like so. Look at how cute that is. We also have these two products. We have their cherry tinted lip balm, and we also have their cherry lip gloss. There's a close-up look at the lip balm. So nice. Do a little baby swatch because why not? So it just gives you a little tint vibe on the lips. Girl, that spray smells so good. Yeah, this is adorable. The lip gloss, ooh, cute. It honestly has like no scent to it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, girl, there's, look at that. Like the most baby swatch ever, but so cute. And then we also have their lip scrub. I really do want to show these off on my TikTok, so I don't want to like mess up the packaging. Ooh, so cute. Let's see if this one has a scent to it. To be honest, these literally don't smell like anything. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because a lot of people don't love scent, but I for sure I do. But it doesn't really smell like anything, which is okay by me. Still cute, adorable. Love this collection. I just wanted to pick it up and show it to you guys, and I'll definitely be using it and updating you guys soon. I think this should have gone in the nail section. We also do have another product, but we have the Be Pure nail polish remover pen. Do you ever have those times when you polish your nail and then some of it gets on the side? Super annoying, right? After a couple washes of your hands it comes off, but I want it to come off in the moment, so I picked up this product and wanted to see if it actually works. This is infused with vitamin E, and it's again their nail polish remover pen. So there's a look at that. I'm definitely intrigued to see if this will work for me, and I'll definitely let you guys know. Maybe we could try it in a TikTok video. I don't know. A lot of ideas come through, some of them executed, others, you know, stay in that little vibe, but we're gonna see if this works. I also went ahead and picked up this set also from Be Pure. This is their berry nail hydration set, and it just says berry nail revitalizer, and it also comes with a cuticle hydrator. They had 2 scents for some reason. I guess they're scented, who knows, but it is just their berry nail set, or maybe it's just aesthetic vibes, I don't know. But again, it just comes with 2 products in here. Let's go ahead and get in here. So there are the 2 products. How cute are those? They're so tiny as well. So this is the revitalizer, and then we also have their hydrator. So cute. I also saw this. We're moving on to skincare, and this is from Be Pure, and this is a rose quartz facial roller. So cute. I don't think I've purchased this before, hopefully not. There's a look at that. Honestly, it's nothing extraordinary. It just looks like kind of cheapy vibes, but it's just like a little rose quartz roller. Maybe you could throw some skincare on and then just like roll it around your face. Let's see what this is supposed to do. So it says roller made from real rose quartz. Provide your skin with the ultimate quick revival by adding this rose quartz roller to your beauty skincare routine. Use this roller to smooth out your serums for an for an added cooling effect and help depuff around your eyes. Oh, okay, perfect. So I'll definitely be using that. So you just throw like an eye serum or something on your under eyes, eye cream, and then this will help it like roll around and such. So interesting. We did have one more body product. I kind of forgot about it. This is from Bolero, and this is their soothing body oil in pink, pineapple, and grapefruit. So I have owned this product before. I saw it. They had a couple of scents to it. Same product, different packaging. And I've used this before, so I picked it up again. So it's just a repurchase. Just describing what I just said. Just saying it over and over. I don't know why. So body oil. I don't know why I'm acting weird with this. Like, I like it. I don't know. Something's going on. I don't know. Let me get in here and show you. Why is there like tension with me in this product? I actually really love it. When I come out of the shower, I like to like lather this on myself, and it just makes your skin feel nice and hydrated. Love it. So yeah, cannot wait to throw this on my skin again because it's just so nice. So definitely love this, which is why I repurchased it. We have some under eye pads. I don't know if I purchased these already, but there's a look at those. These are from Be Pure, and these are their eye mask with collagen and hyaluronic acid, and these are just their like purple packs, and they just look so nice and festive. They give me like Christmas vibes for some reason, or like New Year's Eve vibes, but they're just so cute. So I picked up 2 of those. I need to get back on to like pampering myself. It's like face masks, I forget about them, so I need to make it a point to use them again. Yeah, especially if I'm gonna be buying them, like, girl, use them. So it's a Be Pure glitter jelly face mask. It's a sheet mask, okay, and it is watermelon scented. It comes with 1 mask in here. I don't think I've ever seen this one, but look, it's like shaped like a watermelon slice. That's so cute. And then we also have this one, which I have purchased before, and this is their Sprinkles face mask, and it is berry scented. So cute. All right, next I also have a couple of products from Be Pure. Girl, it's like a haul of Be Pure. Be Pure Essentially Ageless Collagen Gentle Cream Cleanser with macadamia and jojoba oils. It is early in the morning, girl, for these big words, but there's a look at that. So it is a cleanser. Cannot wait to try this out. Hopefully it's not already open. Okay, perfect. It's sealed up. So this will definitely be my next cleanser. I just ran through my last one, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my restroom so I can use it. That's like when I do my skincare, when I'm washing my face. So yeah, I'll definitely have to update you guys on that. We also have 2 other products from Be Pure. I think these are new. I hadn't seen them before. So we have their Essentially Ageless Collagen Nourishing Moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin E. This is glass. Ooh. Okay, girl. It looks like, why does it giving me like high-end vibes? Then we also have their Essentially Ageless Collagen Night Moisturizer, which looks like so. Wow. Again, glass vibes. Look at how nice that looks. Okay, girl, they're stepping up their game. Moving on to makeup, we do have a couple of repurchases. We have the 2-in-1 Everlasting Lash Glue Liner in the shade Black. So if you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, everywhere, I've been doing I did a little like duo the Irony Cosmetics versus the LA Colors eyelash glue situation. So I did want to repurchase it so we can do an accurate one, because I did do one recently and it just felt like the Irony one was a little like dried out. So I wanted to give it a fair chance. I'm going to try this out and do like a wear test over my TikTok, so definitely follow me over there so you can watch. We also have the LA Colors contour stick in the shade medium. I did run through this recently, so I just went ahead and picked up another one. So if you've never seen it, it's just basically just a contour stick. I think I don't have it in my collection anymore, but there's a look at that color. I almost skipped over this product because it looks like their concealer from Be Pure, but this is their foundation. So this is a Be Pure Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer, and it says it has hyaluronic acid. This one is in the shade medium, so we'll definitely have to test this out over on my TikTok as well. Again, I keep saying it because I'm going to be testing all of these products. I'm going to be doing swatches. I'm going to be doing night care routines and such. Follow me over there so you guys can watch. But yeah, can't wait to try this out. So I'm just going to leave this in the packaging for now. Lastly but not least, we have 3 lipsticks from the brand Beauty Intuition. There's a look at 2 of them. They just look so cute. So these are their Bold and Bright lipsticks. We have the shade Ruby Red. We have the shade Mocha. And also the shade Rosy Pink. So I'm gonna open one of them. The other 2 we're gonna swatch over on TikTok. So we have the Mocha one, which I think is the one that most people are gonna purchase. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. Oh. And honestly, like when I saw these in store, I thought they were like liquid lipsticks and you just kind of like screw it off and throw it on. But these are actual lipsticks. There's a look at Mocha. Let's go ahead and swatch. Oh, it's definitely more orangey than brown, but it looks so pretty. It was really nice, really creamy, definitely moisturizing vibes. So we'll definitely have to swatch them over there on the lips and on the hand, but I'm so excited about these. These are so cute. Are they available at your Dollar Tree? Let me know. I love this packaging. Also, presentation is adorable as well. That was it. Those were the last products for this haul. Let me know your thoughts on this haul down below. Have you seen any of these products at your local Dollar Tree? Yes, so excited because finally they started adding new products. So this was like literally one haul. Like this was one trip. Okay, girl. So hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, I have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below of all these videos. Check it out. Check out my past videos. Check out my other social media so you can see all of these products. Try it out on my face, my lips, everything. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.